one more still one more take the coup d'etat story as a joke no story we ebe bo pusa ebe ma we hu say sa coup d'etat eye movie eye ade ana eye very very serious etie for na my digging enya breaking news bi na breaking news no me the bros is etie for answer na ebe to asem no dey subscribe na click the notification bell on so we ya na sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebe kanan say Ghana nsem bebre eba say from coup d'etat no asema sisi Ghana ye kasafa hopa comprehensive sexuality education no na eno ama Ghana ya adwen efi coup d'etat ne so na coup d'etat no Ghana fo bebre na wo mo de ye asresem because omo so say weapons aye che enkrofo no enye weapons a wobetumi e de aye coup d'etat but ende say me ye video ema me si supi say sa coup d'etat no na ye very serious and it was a very serious plan and then me si supi na story we me de bro no indeed it was very serious the parties involved no for enye easy na enyumre we ya breaking news eba and it say ya che abrantie bia we ye soldier ye station no at Flagstaff House the Jubilee House no na ye ne say Jubilee House the seat of the government ho and a president no wo ye beka say president no the office Jubilee House ho na for soldier ya chini oyobia na wo ben president no because he has been stationed at the Jubilee House. Nti yebeka say oben president na wo monitor bibia ekoso ewo ho na for video bi leaki na video na leaki no empenyifo a wo mo Ghana Armed Forces mu wo mo BNI wo mo police mu wo mo na wo mo nya sa video no ahwe na sa video no wo mo ayachi omo de omo akokot say womo na womo plotty coup no na womo yes scenarios of how they will do this coup thing. Now one of the scenarios ne say omo beko baby a meeting bi koso yamfa say bia Ghana na sit match womo ni say sit match there president be wo ho president wo ho so a womo ni say vice president so be wo ho na de omba ya ne say womo beto bomb na bomb we a womo beto no bomb bia womo ankasa create na womo create bomb no womo de inflammable egusa bomb ni mu na bomb no explode a inflammable ni ko nwi mu pe wa around bia no ebe ma wabo na te say ya chew nti sa na womo ye womo aden se womo be na womo de kidnap president and the vice president no na video na viral and na video na make say Ghana mpenifo security health womo ahwe sa video no. That is one of the scenario Nkrofo no womo ye wom say eno na womo de be ye cool no nti no me Charles Nkrofo we their plans were far advanced nti mo amode cool we edi agro no me catch them say cool we enya ade a story bi say ye didi politics nti na NDC for the year politics no me ba bontin e be condemn omo na etie for news eba say abrantie na ye station no e Flagstaff House na wo ma omo information wo kan bibia kire wo mo na kire say wo no na wo security agencies no kire say abrantie we or a very important asset in this whole coup plotting because wo no na wo ben president no into wo no there wo tumi ka say oh we esi wa ha we isi and then mo pesa mo ba mo betumi aba kire say abrantie we ben president no wo yo obi a wo Flagstaff House ho ye station wo ho leti for ni din e de Corporal Zakaria Wahid na yensa sonimu police for ensa sonimu say abrantie we kasa coup plotters ni etie for na wo yo obi a yese wa serve e wo Flagstaff House ho for a while now na womu ni mabrantie we womu ye adwuma e wo Flagstaff House no because Flagstaff House no enye president ne pe na wo ho nkofu bebre e ye adwuma wo ho womu ye adwuma wo Flagstaff House no eni mabrantie we pa na asem no ato womu so se sana ni party say abrantie we wonam ha nia no wo ye obi a wo kan sa coup d'etat fo ne ho sa Corporal Zakaria Wahidi na say enche bia I think 2 days ago me be reported trem say yachi more soldiers first no eba say yachi 6 soldiers me be reported trem say yachi more soldiers say me hu comment bi a wo bi ka say soldiers na yachi no mambo omudin ba kupedin na me boy na esan say the same story ni nti sa nipa ko no me fa edin no soldiers ni bidin entu aso ema no So there's not actually so far. But could be a Lance Corporal Ali Solomon. The next person should be a Seidu Abubakar. The next person should be a Albert Baba Ibrahim. Another person should be a Godwin Ni Ankra. Bakun should be a Sylvester Bebu. And a soldier waba a friend WO2 Esther. It's here for soldier si and a yensa aso womumu. Ansana a yes as Zakaria Wahidi wononso yensa so ni muna nkrofo we yese wo mo create pressure group bi a friend Take Action Ghana. Na sa Take Action Ghana yi wo mo ye wo madwen se embre ebe koso a ebia from a year this month to next year. When we be a series of demonstrations against the government, in Kongofu be who say, hey, we a new pressure group aba, when we a demonstration. Now when we be running a very big campaign over social media, no munya mebununo say mebunu be support you mo. Na mebununo support you mo na afei when we dey support no akoye coup d'etat no a kidnap the president and the vice president. That was their plan. Say na midin country no say bomb na bomb mankasa especially. Bomb na wo mokofa wo bi free Alavanyo sa branch na yakofa ni free Alavanyo bae Water region yakofa ni free wa ye de ne bae eye hospital eye sa Citadel hospital ho no eno mbe create bomb no omode san from abone na san from abone no wo bebi a wo na from abone no ko mu sisi a wo be da by force nti sana na wo ma yo ma dwen se wo mo de be kidnap eye the president and the vice president. And then they take control. No matter say, we ma coup d'etat. It's here for this was their plan. Na same way. Hey, na say na me ne o kase, na enda me ne o kase. Ya remi omo ye de omo akokot. Na abrante we aya che ne so no. He's been processed to court. Na ye de nebeka wo ma ye de omo akokot ne ho. Inti no won say day in day out no. Insem ni mu bie. Inti omo ana wo mo kase o we die. MPP for wo say wo ma mebo no nko yie no wo share that story we aba na Ghana fo nya sympathy wo mo so no MCCC a wo mo nimi ye egu ase because day in day out no we are getting to know more of this coup plotting. Day in day out we are getting to know more of this. Na still wo tie me na details amede ma any evidence aye dey ba bonten na still wotie na woka say oh still we dey energy oh still politics ah and they say one so these people actually planned this coup. The first time I'm reporting me breaking news no na enumre the next day and a lot of media houses cry breaking here enumre me breaking news no and I'm tell mo say minim say Ghana for the same way by politics. Ma mesre asem way manya fanya politics de biara da because a very serious issue. Say hospital ye hu say hospital pa na ye ko say etuo e wo ho na won be kasa ne enti a wo say etuo no yes etuo no ye hu wo hospital ho but who need be etuo ni feature say branch na ye susu say wo no plan cool no ne lawyer and e ba bonten this answer no betu dwa say etuo no de ne kre Yehun etuo no ewo ne hospital ho ba etuo no enyo no ena te se wo de beto ana wo ni mobi a wo de etuo no begu wo je so wo pese wo tre se ye frame no etiefo asem we a ebe e very serious me pese mo tre mo adwen ewo comment box ni mu na wo ye obi a wo susu se e politics we a mesre maybe sisupi e tell say enye politics. The people planned to do this. They planned to do this because we share some of the things in the possession of the heads of the security agencies are. In Kwafuno ye plan crab or paper so one training plan they are one demonstrations now how they will be campaigning on social media to be getting the support from the youth. Just say one more planning everything, every single step one more yes one more be taking no one more calculated step no. Ehun say and the president we will program or have president and just say one say president and vice president no now one more person one more two no eba program ba ku bom na one more year one more beto sa bom no wo na say one more to me capture the president and the vice president. It was all in their plan. It's a branch here where I actually will you be a obeying president no will you be a obeying the presidency's office a wo monitor bibia to say abrantie we kra no nanka wo mo pa wo mo betumi ama ne bomb no ye soldier wo ko eye the Flagstaff house a wo bia nu a wo be search no because ye soldier ni bomb shene ho na wo ko jai bomb no to Flagstaff house ananka ye ne den etiefo nanka ye ne den. Now we need to take our security very serious in this country. Monte amwadwe comment box mo tie for me da say